Welcome back. Now, Nigeria's stock market, of course, was not left out of the Black Monday frenzy witnessed across the global space yesterday. Edidiong Ewang is here with me to look at some of yesterday's numbers. Good morning, Edidiong.
Good morning,
So we
BC.
saw Nigeria's equities market plunging by as much as 2.41% yesterday. Now, tell us what sectors were the most hit.
All sectors were hit yesterday, BC. The banking index was down the most by about 8.95%. All the banking stocks shed losses yesterday. Access was down 10%, Fidelity Bank was down 10%, GT Bank was down by more than 9%, Zenith Bank, Wema Bank, all the banking stocks were down yesterday. Funny enough, we had just one gainer in the market yesterday as against 38 losers. So market breadth was also negative. Month-to-date loss has come down to about minus 2.2%. The year-to-date loss is about minus 4.5%. And we lost about 300 billion naira in the market yesterday. The volume was lower about by 48.6%. Value was also lower by 57.31%. And deals were also lower by about 41.55%. So apart from going back to the sectors now, apart from the banking index, the consumer goods sector was also down about 2.49%, losses across the board. Unilever, Vitafilm, Nigerian Breweries, Honeywell Flowers, industrial goods was, insurance was also down. Cornerstone Insurance, ICO, Lasaco, all the sectors were in the red yesterday. Like you said, it was a black Monday. The oil and gas counter was also down, with Kono and Oando posting, losses of 10% each. But if we move over to the unlisted securities market, that market was up yesterday, surprisingly, about 2.204%. We saw the index is at 706.93. The market cap rose to 508.25 billion naira. We just saw about 2.6 million, units worth 44.69 million naira in 24 deals. So in the market yesterday, I think it was only the unlisted, securities market that was positive. If we move over to fixed income now, the bond market was bearish yesterday. Yields were up about 12 basis points to 6.97%. There was sell pressure across board from the short to the mid to the long end of the curve. And the market is expected to maintain the relatively, bearish trend. Like I said yesterday, markets are reacting to that, but hopefully today will be better since oil prices have gone up. Markets are up as well. Global markets are also up, so hopefully we'll see some of that positive sentiment spill over to the Nigerian market. The Treasury bills market was unchanged. No activity in that segment of the market. No deals. Nothing was done in that market yesterday. The OMO market was also bearish. Yields rose by about 165 basis points to 14.70%. Of course, foreign investors continued to sell off, still reacting to, the news we're getting from the global market. Following the coronavirus and, the oil prices. But like I said, today, markets have bounced back. Oil prices are up. Global markets are up. So hopefully we would have a better trading day today, BC.
We do hope really for a better trading day. Of course, I'm sure that investors don't want to lose their money again today. In spite
Nobody
of all of
wants to lose money.
Many thanks, Eddie. Of course, we'll take another moment now. And when we return, we'll do an opening call to London, as well as talk more about activities at the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Of course, we'll have a stockbroker, Rotimi Fakayijo, talk to us more about today's activities, what they expect from today's markets. Please stay with us.